Hey friends, welcome back to Jenny Food and My Kitchen. Fall is in full swing, and according to my husband, the best thing that happens during fall is game days return. I'm talking all the college football on Saturday and all the professional games on Sunday, and apparently other nights during the week. So my husband has requested that this weekend, as game day returns for him, he would like some Hot Honey BBQ Wings. So I thought I would just take you along as I make one of my husband's favorite game day dishes. Let's make this. All right, I'm starting off with a slew of chicken wings, and then we are going to make a rub: paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and I'm going to use just a little bit of olive oil to get that to stick. We're going to put those on a rack in a pan. I've got the air fryer in my oven turned on, and then we are going to finish that with a blend of hot honey and just barbecue sauce. I mean, very, very simple. So let's get to it. All right, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make that rub really quick. We are going to add a tablespoon. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. I'm going to double this just because I don't want to run out of rub mid seasoning, you know what I mean? That would be silly. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of paprika. Now I would prefer probably to use smoked paprika, but I used all my smoked paprika up this weekend for another recipe. And then to that, we are going to add, it's going to be a teaspoon of each, but we're going to do 2 today because I am doubling this. But so 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons garlic powder. I go through the garlic powder, I swear. 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. And lastly, 2 teaspoons of salt. Now you can add pepper to this if you'd like. I just know that we're gonna have a little bit of heat from that honey, so I don't necessarily need to add pepper to this. So I'm just going to take and kind of mix up that rub, and that should, with all that paprika, that should kind of look like a good barbecue rub. And that's just very simple. You could also do just salt and pepper on your chicken wings and then get all of that flavor from the barbecue, but I kind of like it when there's a rub plus a sauce. All right. That is good and mixed. Next, I'm just going to kind of pat all of this chicken dry on paper towel. Just to get, because if you start with dry chicken wings, they will actually be crispier than if you don't dry them. Get all of that liquid, and we'll put just a little tiny bit of olive oil on there to help as well. All right, I've got all of our wings dry, patted dry. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to drizzle just the tiniest bit of oil on these. Just kind of using my cap so that I'm not like dumping the oil. And then we're just going to kind of mix those up and around. All right, that looks good. We don't need a lot of oil, like literally just a couple of tablespoons. And then I will just mix them around. And I've got all my wings on a piece of parchment paper because when I season these, I can just then throw this parchment paper in the trash. I don't like to season them over the pan because a lot of times those seasonings will burn on the bottom of the pan and it's not a pleasant smell. So I've learned to do it on parchment paper or aluminum foil, or you could even just do this on the paper towel that you dried them on. But that way it's less cleanup. All right. Get all of those ready, and then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take our barbecue rub that we made, and we're just going to give them a generous covering of the rub. I mean, not like thoroughly coated, but enough. I like things that are well seasoned, so, and I know my husband does too, so. He loves these wings. And little girl also loves chicken wings, so that's a bonus. It means that we can have these for dinner Not just on game days, but on a weeknight if we want. All right. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. All right, and now we're just going to turn those over to the other side. And this is 3 packages of the Kirkland, I think they're called party wings. It's just the drumette and the flap portion. It doesn't have the tips. I mean, you can always buy wings and cut the tips off and separate them yourself. I do that sometimes. But I found that I like these Kirkland wings, and you can buy, you know, quite a few of them at once, which is nice. All right. And we're going to use most of this. I'm just going to toss whatever rub we don't use since I've had my hands in chicken. All right. Boy, these look good. They smell good already. And these come together actually fairly quickly. All right, we've got all of our wings seasoned. Now I am just going to go ahead and put these on a rack for the air fryer setting in my oven. And the reason I put these on a rack is so that as that fan is on, it's going to push air underneath them and help to crisp it. Although I will cook this for 10 to 12 minutes and then I will flip them once during the cooking process. Dinner is going to be good. All right, our wings are ready to go into the air fryer in my oven. So I'm going to put these in. It's at 390 air fry is the setting. You could also do these on 400 in a convection setting as well. It'll still get that air to push. It just might take an extra 5 or so minutes in the oven. So we'll be back in just a minute. All right, I set my timer for 12 minutes. We're gonna check those and flip them in 12 minutes. All right, our wings have been in for 12 minutes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and give them a flip all the way down the line. Make sure that everybody gets evenly cooked. And these smell really good. And I like that I know the 3 packages from Kirkland will fit on one sheet set with the grate on the half sheet pan. Little girl loves her some wings, so some of these I'm going to set out and save for her to take to school tomorrow. She loves her a good warm-up lunch. All right, we'll get these back in the oven for another 12 minutes. While our wings are finishing, I'm going to go ahead and make that sauce. Now, I am going to use this rib rack barbecue. This is the sauce that I like to use if I'm looking for just a basic barbecue sauce. And the reason I use rib rack is if you look on the ingredient list, it's all real things that you would use from your pantry to make a barbecue sauce. It's nothing crazy that you can't understand. So we are going to do 2 parts barbecue sauce. To 1 part hot honey. You could go heavier on the hot honey if you like it. We just kind of tested it out one day and found that we like, right, I'm going to need to get a bigger squeeze on that. We like 2 parts barbecue to 1 part hot honey. It still gives you some of that heat from the honey and obviously the sweetness. It's a little bit fancier than just regular barbecue wings. So we'll get that hot honey in there. And this is how I make wings. I mean, I just like to, put them in a big bowl, and then we'll just take those off and we'll just spin them around in that sauce. They'll be all sauced and ready to eat. I'm going to go ahead and get my platter ready as well while those wings are finishing. I made this homemade ranch earlier today, so I will put some of that in there, and we'll put our wings in here, and we will be ready to eat wings and watch football. All right, friends, our wings are out of the oven / air fryer. Okay, so we are going to set aside little girl's naked wings to start with. I'll give her, let's see, she'll probably eat about 5 for dinner. And then she will want some for school tomorrow. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the rest of these, oh, my mouth is watering. We will go ahead and we will just add to our sauce like 10 at a time. If I need to make more sauce, I can always make more sauce. I wasn't sure once I mixed that up if it would be enough. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll do 12 at a time. And you just want to take your tongs and just kind of like flip them together and spin those babies up. Doesn't that look good? And then we'll put those right in our platter. Oh, those smell so good. My husband doesn't love everything that I make, but today he will. Now this is something he can get behind, totally. Barbecue wings is one of his favorite things. And just to add that touch of hot honey, give it a little bit of spice and a little bit of sweetness, he's gonna be a happy man. All right. So we will get all the rest of our wings, and maybe that will be enough sauce. And then again, we'll clip our tongs together and just kind of spin these around in the bowl like so, and just make sure that everybody gets coated with that sauce. If it looks like I need to add a little extra, I can add a little extra. But I think we're just gonna make it. Oh, it smells so good. All right, and there you have it. Hot Honey BBQ Wings. That is game day terrific. I'm gonna let these cool for just a few minutes, and then my team and I will come in and give them a taste. All right, friends, the team's all here for our game day wings. My husband and I are going to eat the Hot Honey BBQ, and of course, little girl here has her own plate of naked wings. Shall we try them, guys?
Yeah.
All right, let's try them.
I'm gonna take this one.
You take that one? I want one of these. I like these the best.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Very good.
All right. Oh, I need a napkin.
Winner, chicken dinner.
I saved you some for school tomorrow. All right, friends, these are, that seasoning on them is really good. You like that wing? I think it's safe to say you liked it.
Finished.
Thank you so much for your support, friends. We will see you soon. We are going to go watch the game. Bye for now.